can't wait for my breakfast.
I'm gonna have some toast.
New Jersey did it.
Famous toast restaurant for tourists. What you doing?
Food, looking for food.
History of this temple. Amazing on how things are being developed. After that, we're going to walk around Chinatown and then head up towards Boat Quay. So that's where we're staying there, and I've already done that one last night. So we're in Chinatown here, and we just did the breakfast there, and we're going to go check out this temple here. So what I'm doing, my objective is to try and tick all these race spots off and get it all done, because I'm a metric type of guy, so I like ticking things off my list. So we're going to tick that one off the list, we're going to walk over there, do that one, do that one, do that one. We're going to move up here, do that one, head over to that one, do that one. I'll go to the sunset and we'll chill out there. Wow, what's this thing? Look at that. No shorts? Yeah. Oh no, I got shorts. So this is the Thiam Hock King Temple. I don't think I can go in because of my dress code. Oh, it's massive. So we are at the Thiam Hock King Temple, and behind me is this massive temple. We're gonna go in and check it out. Okay, I just finished the temple. I can't film in there or take photos. I made a mistake. When I was burning the incense sticks and praying, I used 2 instead of 3. I got told off. So from now on, always use odd number, I believe, or just use 3. Yeah, one chicken rice, yeah? Yeah. I don't know. Wow. Huh? Yeah. Small chicken rice is only 4 Singaporean dollar and Sangkil bar. I wonder, I think it can cut through again, maybe. I'm at Chinatown Food Street, but I can imagine it will be pretty busy at night time. One really cool thing about Singapore is that they've got these really interesting bars along the street, which is really cool. I'm going to move on to Chinatown and have a look there.